Acute malnutrition in India, a looming crisis for children under 5. India is facing a severe public health challenge, with more than 50% of children under the age of 5 suffering from acute malnutrition in some form. The latest data from the National Family Health Survey, NFHS 5, highlights the grim reality of child malnutrition, which manifests in conditions such as stunting, wasting, underweight, and micronutrient deficiencies. These indicators not only threaten the health of millions but also jeopardize the country's developmental future. The extent of the problem: 1. Prevalence of malnutrition, wasting, severe thinness due to weight loss, affects 19.3% of children. Stunting, low height for age, indicating chronic malnutrition, impacts 35.5% of children. Underweight, low weight for age, affects 32.1% of children under 5. Anemia affects 67.1% of children, an alarming rise compared to previous years. 2. Regional disparities. States like Maharashtra and Gujarat report the highest number of severely wasted children, while Uttar Pradesh and Assam have seen increasing malnutrition rates over recent years. In contrast, states like Haryana and Puducherry have shown improvement in nutrition indicators. Causes behind acute malnutrition. Several factors contribute to this widespread crisis. 1. Poverty and food insecurity. Many families cannot afford or access a balanced diet, leading to chronic nutritional deficiencies. 2. Lack of awareness. Low levels of education, especially among mothers, result in inadequate feeding practices and poor nutrition during critical developmental years. 3. Poor sanitation and hygiene. Unsafe water and lack of sanitation expose children to infections, reducing nutrient absorption. 4. Inadequate healthcare services. Limited access to quality healthcare for maternal and child health further exacerbates malnutrition rates. 5. Gender inequality. Socio-cultural practices often deprive girl children of equitable food and healthcare, worsening malnutrition in female children. Long-term impact. Malnutrition among children under 5 has far-reaching consequences. Physical and cognitive development. Stunting and wasting hinder physical growth and brain development, affecting educational outcomes and earning potential. Health risks. Malnourished children face higher risks of infections and mortality. Economic burden. Malnutrition imposes a significant financial strain on families and the nation, reducing productivity and increasing healthcare costs. Steps toward a solution. While India has implemented programs like Integrated Child Development Services (ICDS) and Poshan Abhiyan, their reach and effectiveness remain limited. Addressing malnutrition requires strengthening maternal and child nutrition programs, promoting dietary diversity and micronutrient supplementation, enhancing sanitation and hygiene infrastructure, expanding access to quality healthcare services in rural areas, launching community-driven awareness campaigns on nutrition. Acute malnutrition among children under 5 years poses a grave challenge to India's health and socio-economic development. Immediate, multi-sectoral interventions are needed to combat this crisis. By addressing root causes and improving service delivery, India can work towards a healthier and brighter future for its children. For further reading, refer to resources from NFHS 5, UNICEF, and government initiatives tackling malnutrition.